Hello all, welcome to Bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a very pretty collection of borderless semi-soft silk sarees. All these sarees are soft in nature, light in weight and very comfortable to wear for any kind of occasions. In these sarees, beautiful putta weavings are there throughout the body along with a contrast or running rich pallu and a plain blouse. These beautiful collections are priced at 800 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even the shipping charges be from 20 maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please note, our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. Also, please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number only. Also, if you guys wanted our quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate WhatsApp groups for fancy silk sarees, pure Kanchipuram silk sarees with silk mark certification and pure cotton sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. All these links be there in the description. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like our video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.